police just pulled you over for a traffic stop and tell you they want to search your car. Under the law, can they?
My name is Joshua Parambath. I'm an attorney here at Pern and Abract LLC, based out of Kennett Square. And today we'll be talking about your rights during a traffic stop and whether police can search your vehicle. As a United States citizen and a Pennsylvania citizen specifically, your rights against unreasonable searches and seizures are dictated by the Fourth Amendment and Article 1, Section 8 of the Pennsylvania Constitution. So generally speaking, Pennsylvania law actually provides greater protections than the Fourth Amendment. Under Pennsylvania case law, specifically Commonwealth v. Alexander, which came out in 2020, in addition to probable cause for police to search your vehicle, they also need exigency or circumstances that are exigent. Under general federal law, there was typically the automobile exception, which would allow law enforcement to search your vehicle if there was probable cause alone. What does that mean for you? Well, if police want to search your vehicle and they don't have a search warrant, they need exigent circumstances in addition to probable cause. So what are exigent circumstances? Exigent circumstances are emergent situations or circumstances which would necessitate for law enforcement to conduct a search prior to getting an actual search warrant signed by a judge. A general example of such circumstances would be such as if there was allegations that an individual was in possession of a bomb and that recovery of that item was time sensitive. Generally speaking, in most cases, exigent circumstances don't exist, so law enforcement are required to get a search warrant prior to searching your vehicle if you don't consent otherwise. Keep in mind, however, there are a variety of other circumstances in which law enforcement would be entitled to search your vehicle, one being if you give voluntary consent. That being said, police can't coerce you into giving that consent. Second, law enforcement can also typically do limited searches incident to an arrest to the areas that you would have access to. Also, under the plain view doctrine, if police in plain view can see contraband or illegal items, they can seize and search those items as well. Additionally, if your vehicle is going to be impounded for some reason during the car stop or traffic stop, police are entitled to do an inventory search and log all the contents in your vehicle. The policy or rationale behind that is if the vehicle is going to be taken from you and eventually returned, they want to make sure they document all of your contents and belongings so that you can't make any allegations that things were taken or stolen. Keep in mind that police can't search your vehicle if they don't have your consent or probable cause and either exigent circumstances or a warrant, and they can't search your vehicle for minor traffic offenses, such as not wearing your seatbelt, speeding, or running a red light. And they also can't search your vehicle just based on a hunch. Just to leave you with a couple of tips, remain calm during any interactions with law enforcement and state your position and that you do not consent to a search. Additionally, even if you feel like your rights are being infringed upon, don't fight it on the side of the road. Wait till you get to court and let the courts decide. If you have specific questions about a traffic stop, feel free to contact us so we can go over the specifics of your case. Be sure to like this video, comment any questions that you may have, and follow the firm for more videos like this.